Hi, this is Erik Linask. I'm coming to you from the LA Convention Center here in sunny Los Angeles, California at the 20th IT Expo. This is opening day. I'm sitting here with Ruth Bridger, who's the Vice President of Marketing at Xorcom. Ruth, welcome again. It's good to see you.
Hi, it's great to be here.
Last time when we chatted down in Miami at IT Expo East, I know you guys came out with a pretty big announcement there. Can you give me an update on what's happened since then?
Okay, what we did was we announced our TwinStar, which is a full redundancy package for Asterisk-based PBX, wherein you have two servers, a primary and a backup, and then the AstroBank, which is our USB-connected channel bank. And these units have dual USB ports, one for each server, and that allows it to monitor and switch over in case there's a failure in the primary server. And because all of the telephony interfaces, the ports and trunks, are concentrated in the AstroBank, if the server fails, not a problem. All the lines regenerate and they're up and running within minutes. So since we spoke, this product has gone general availability, and we have many implementations. As a matter of fact, a very large installation going in this week with 13 AstroBanks, and we think it's really taken off.
Well, that's fantastic. Great to hear. But I know now, moving forward to this show, you've got a couple of pretty exciting announcements too. I know you mentioned one. A lot of people have been talking about call recording, and I know that's what one of your announcements is focused on.
Right. We have a joint development project with a company called Oryx, who are the experts in open source recording solutions. And we've added our technology there to provide the ability to identify caller ID information and source, and to pass on that information to an external server. And this is important because it does relieve the processing load off of the main Asterisk server, so that you get much more capacity for recordings than you would in the standard Asterisk setup. And the project is open source, GPL, so it's free, downloadable, and we're happy to provide it to the community.
I mentioned that there's been a lot of activity in the call recording space. What's driving that activity?
Well, I think it's the idea that you want your telephony system to be able to provide all of the utilities, incorporating and matching up data that comes in, and being able to search and retrieve that, and just having all of the communications central and accessible.
Good. What else can we see from Xorcom at the show to add this week?
Okay. Another thing that we're announcing is that our higher-end PBX models, the XR2000 and XR3000, now have an option to come with a dual Ethernet port. And that's to provide an opportunity to separate the data and the VoIP traffic on the server. And as a result, you get higher throughput and even better VoIP quality when you do that separation. So that's another announcement that we're making.
And where did that project evolve from? Was that out of market demand?
Yes, definitely. We try to really have our ear to the market. A lot of our development is spurred by input that we get from customers saying, that's a great little box you have there. You can combine all kinds of telephony interfaces. But then they're looking beyond that and saying, I have an existing infrastructure. How can I best utilize it? What can I do? And for these kind of organizations, that's a really nice addition, so that they can get the most out of their IP PBX.
Good. Excellent. And I know you mentioned the third announcement you're making is sort of an evolution of an existing offering that you've got.
Right. One of the very first project that we released to the Asterisk community was what we call the Xorcom Rapid Live CD. What we did was we created on a single CD all of the components that you need to set up and run an Asterisk-based PBX. You simply slide that CD into the disk drive, it boots up, and you've got your Linux, you've got your Asterisk, you've got a basic PBX configuration. So it's a great environment for people that want to get a taste of Asterisk and check it out, play around a bit. And the news is that we have created, in addition to the live CD, what we call the live USB. So this whole functionality is now also available on a bootable USB.
And that can have a really nice use in sort of a support mechanism as well, right?
Right. That's how we use it in many cases, actually. If we get a support call and the customer is describing some kind of issue, in order to eliminate perhaps, or test whether it's a hardware issue or a software issue, we can have them use this USB or the live CD to kind of separate the Asterisk server out of the picture, so that if their system is up and running from the Xorcom Rapid Live against the hardware that we provide, then we know that what they have is actually a software issue, and then we can kind of troubleshoot in that direction.
It's a nice way to quickly identify which side the problems are coming from.
Exactly.
Fantastic. Well, we've been talking here at IT Expo West with Xorcom's Ruth Bridger. Ruth, thank you very much for joining us again. Have a great show, and look forward hopefully to talking to you again maybe in Miami.
Oh, that would be great. Thank you very much, Erik.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.